Hi, my name is Klaus. I inspected this 488 Ferrari for you, right? Gonna go for the road test. They're gonna drive it because they're quite sensitive with my regards to my insurance. So they're gonna drive it. I'll sit next to it. That's fine. However, there are several age-related issues like tires and would need trackiness and even tire wear. The front pads are coming into the advisory. Rear handbrake shoes are still alright. Probably getting a bit low, but still alright. Rear shock rear shock absorber bushes both sides has excessive play, needs replacing, as has been mentioned before in MOT as well, but only on one side. Regards to front shock left, early stage of misting, still satisfactory. Regards to underside, can't see any obvious leaks, but there is a bit of misting on some bolts towards the crankshaft pulley, and very fine misting between engine and the gearbox. Regards to coolant, everything's fine. The coolant system works fine. There has been some faults initially. I cleared them, so then we'll, after the roads, we'll do another scan. But now let's get to the favorite part, the bodywork. It's slightly not lined up the bumper, but however, there's very fine color mismatches on both front and rear bumper. Then they have been resprayed. Regards to accident damage, obviously, as you mentioned, they had a front accident damage. The bonnet latch needs to be readjusted. There are a few bolts missing on a plastic cover under the bonnet. It seems to be they've never been fitted. I fitted one from one side because it wasn't fitted properly. I just put it in another side so it at least secures. So it just needs tidying up the thing. That would be no reason to reject the car. As you can see from here, you can see slightly paint shade difference on both front and rear bumpers. Alloy wheels being refurbed, they're good. Ceramic brakes, they're good. Regards to interior is good, fair wear and tear. Regards to paintwork, right? So now we'll get to the funnier bit. So basically, whole of the vehicle has been resprayed. You know, I think that door has been replaced or outer skin replaced, and it's been removed. So bonnet is like 500 microns. Everything's like, it's getting into some areas about 380 microns. So I think this vehicle had some previous accident damage, you know. That's my opinion. How significant, I don't know, because some repairs, I know on a Ferrari, the rivet areas on A-pillars, they're never sort of great. There are a few suspicions on this side of the quarter panel, or those rivets are too close. So I can only speculate that there might be something that might change some panels, but whatever I can see, and if it has been, it's been done to a good standard, or there's a factory issue, right? The workmanship issue. Regards to this door is a bit thin in areas, below 100 microns, but obviously including the deviation on a gauge. So there are few visual patches which gives out on a paintwork, resprays, oxidation under the clear coat. When you're looking from the side, there is like a dust, very fine, like, I can't explain, it's like a dust on it, but when you close look at it, you can see the respray. Also, respray also gives a bit rougher surface on our hair, and there's not a fisheye, but let's call it a dust mark and a few things here. Obviously, it had some accident damage repairs. Respray, not very obvious, it's at average, but satisfactory for the second-hand car, as it's not new one anymore, coming into 9 years. It's got obviously good Ferrari service history, recent services completed, and the final decision I will leave you to decide. Thanks for using this.